Hi, my name is Heather. Welcome to Heaven is a Homestead. I just got some seeds delivered in the mail, which if you are a gardener or gardening is exciting for you, then getting seeds is super exciting. I got from 3 different places, so Botanical Interest, Johnny's, and Baker Creek. I'm in Virginia in Zone 7A. It's July 31st, and our first frost is approximately October 19th, so I've got about 80 days left in the growing season, and so it is time to start thinking about fall seeds and planting fall seeds. So I'll start with Botanical Interest first. Let's see. It looks like I got 1 free seed pack of lettuce, 3 packs of these Gold Rush bush beans. I just think it'd be really pretty. I ordered a couple of different colors of bush beans, and I just think the harvest baskets would look really pretty with a bunch of different colors of beans. And bush beans are generally like about 55 days to harvest, so a good thing that you can kind of succession sow for the fall. I got Bell Star broccoli, which is an F1 hybrid, so I'm going to try it. It's too late to start these for this fall, but I will use them for like the spring and fall next year. I got some burgundy broccoli, which is also an F1 hybrid. It's a sprouting broccoli, so there's heading broccolis where they produce like 1 large head and you harvest it all at once. And then there's sprouting broccolis, which kind of produce smaller heads throughout the season, so you can kind of get like a steady flow of broccoli, and purple is my favorite color, so I just thought those would be so pretty. I got some Royal Burgundy bush beans. Again, just want to get pretty, pretty beans for the harvest basket. I also got this 1 kilo slow bolt Napa cabbage. I have yet to grow Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage successfully, but I really want to make kimchi, so I'm not giving up. I got some of these Carnival Blend carrots, some sweet bell peppers, 3 different colors. I have California Wonder, which I picked green, but I just thought it'd be fun to have more colors. And then I got this Easter egg blend of radishes, just different pretty colors, purple, pink, red, white. And I think some people think these are kind of weird, or if they see a vegetable that's grown that they're not really used to, that they don't see in the store. But for me, this is part of the motivation and the fun in gardening, is that I get to grow things that you can't just go and buy in the store. Growing that stuff is kind of somewhat boring to me, and I like being able to grow things that I can't just go buy in the store, because that's what makes it fun for me. So 2 more packets. I got some tomatillos. I've never grown tomatillos, but I'll try and do some salsa verde and see how it goes. And the last one I got, I thought this was really pretty. It's just a pineapple tomato. I've heard about these. They're like red, orange, yellow striped, and they're kind of marbled looking on the inside, so just something that would be really pretty to grow. All right, now I'm going to move on to, we'll do the Baker Creek ones next. I think I only got a couple from here. All right, so I got some black turtle beans. They're a bush bean, a dry bean, so there are not enough days left in this growing season to grow these, but I got them for next year. Use black beans primarily in chili and enchiladas. We don't eat so many that it's not realistic for me to grow a year's worth, because dry beans and like shelling peas, you have to grow so many plants to be able to actually like get a decent amount. So we don't use so many of these, so I think it's kind of something that's like a realistic goal for me to try to grow a year's worth of for us. So I'll try that next year. And then I got some red swan bush beans, just a red variety of bush beans. So again, for that, I want that the money shot, the colorful harvest basket with all my beans. I got free seed radish Japanese wasabi. I'm saying ooh because I think they're sold out on the website, maybe because they're using them for this purpose. But it's a green radish, so again, like adds to my color, so that's cool. And then last, I've grown these before, just needed to get more seeds of the black nebula carrot. All right, time for the last packet from Johnny's. I go to Johnny's for like a lot of F1 hybrids generally. I don't really get like my heirloom seeds from Johnny's. Okay. And I think I like the pretty pictures on the seed packets. Johnny doesn't have pictures on there, so I'll have to put a picture like on the screen for you to see what it looks like. Maybe that's one of the reasons I don't order from Johnny's. I don't know. Who doesn't like who doesn't like seeing the pretty pictures? So this one's cool. I got a F1 hybrid asparagus called Erasmus. It's purple asparagus. So I have green asparagus that I started from seed outgrowing in the garden. But again, purple's my favorite color, so why not try to grow some purple asparagus? I got a Potomac lavender snapdragon. Never grown snapdragons before, but I've seen other people grow them. They look really pretty, so I will give them a try. And rhubarb. I got rhubarb seeds just because I feel like it'd be cheaper than buying crowns of rhubarb. It's a perennial, and I just want to use it probably to like bulk up jams. Like if you don't have enough berries, a lot of times there's like berry and rhubarb jam, so I just feel like it could help me stretch and like get more jam out of my berries that I harvest. And then I like this one. It's a Hirosaki red F1 hybrid turnip. So it's like a red turnip. Looks super pretty. I don't really like turnips that much, but I make Lebanese pickled turnips for my mother-in-law. So that's what I will use this for. And then I got pearl, an F1 hybrid pearl radish. It's a white radish. It's said to like hold its globe shape better than other radishes. Sometimes they kind of get like cylindrical or kind of like gnarly looking. So maybe since it's a hybrid, it'll be more likely to kind of like keep that pretty shape. I got a Cayenne Bravo daikon radish. It's purple. That's repeated that a lot. I just like purple. And then I got some F1 hybrid sweet corn. Natural sweet is what it's called. So I've tried to grow heirloom corn before in my garden, and it just always seems to get corn smut, which is like a fungus that grows on it. Some people eat it. Doesn't look super appetizing to me. Apparently it's like some people consider it a delicacy. It's got a lot of vitamins and nutrients. It looks disgusting. I'm not going to eat it. And it ruins your corn. So I just figure like maybe trying to grow a hybrid variety, it will be more disease resistant. And my daughter loves corn. She'll eat her weight in corn. So I want to try and grow some corn next year. And then lastly, I got the Bolero F1 hybrid carrot. It's a storage variety. I've seen a lot of people in the homesteading community grow these for storage. So I will try it and see how that goes. I also got a, in this order, it's not coming yet because it's on back order until the end of August, I think, but it's called the Coralina F1 hybrid tomato. It's a paste, like an ox heart paste tomato. And it's supposed to be like more similar to an heirloom taste than a hybrid taste. Generally, like hybrid tomatoes are kind of more grown for production and being able to, I think like the standard is they want them to be able to sit in traffic for 7 days to be like a successful hybrid variety that they want to sell in the store. And so when you breed for specific things, sometimes flavor is something that you lose when you're breeding for like storage and being able to sit in traffic. So I got that one because it's supposed to be, the taste is supposed to be more similar to an heirloom. I love my Amish paste. I love my heirloom tomatoes for canning, but I really just wanted something. I mean, hybrids just like bang out tomatoes. So I wanted something to really bulk up the amount of tomatoes I'm getting so that I can do a lot of canning of like salsa and crushed tomatoes and that type of thing, hopefully next year. Okay, and that is all of the seeds that I ordered for the fall. I already have more that I'm thinking about that I want to put on like a list for my family members for my birthday. I think I'm always daydreaming about the garden, but even more so this year, I think, because I had a baby in June and I essentially just kind of had to forego a lot of the summer garden this year. So not getting like those tomatoes and peppers like usual that I love to get. So I'm gonna try to have a fall garden so I can at least have some gardening this year. And then even though it's a year out from now, I'm getting excited and thinking about what my garden's gonna look like next year, because gardening with a 1-year-old is definitely way easier than gardening with a newborn. So thanks for spending some time with me and seeing what seeds I ordered for the fall. Keep following along with me this fall and see, so you can see those pretty harvest baskets that I'm hoping to get, and just see kind of what some of these different varieties look like and what I think about them in case maybe you want to grow them for yourself. All right, thanks. Bye.